It's Brenda Hendricks. I will be doing slime today. I got this recipe from a girl named Sarah Lynn. It worked well, and she did measurements, but I don't have that much glue, so I will not be giving measurements. But I will try to link her in below. But you will need Elmer's glue, some kind of foam, hand soap, baking soda, some kind of eye contact solution, shaving cream, a bowl, a scooping object, and a stirring object. First, I will be starting off with taking my bowl and getting my Elmer's glue, and I will be putting it in the cup. Now I don't have that much, so I don't know how much is really gonna come out of here. I've let it sit overnight so I could get it upside down to get mostly everything out of what I could, but I don't know how much is going to come out. Alrighty, I think that is all that's gonna come out. Alright, whatever. Okay, be that way. Alrighty, so I got the glue in there, and then I will be putting in baking soda next. Like I said, not gonna be doing measurements because I just don't have that much glue. But yeah, just put in just a little bit, not that much. And then before you put in any other ingredients, you want to stir these two first. So just stir it, make it, I don't know, just stir it, I guess, until it is okay, I guess I would say. It should like start clumping together, and then it like, when you're stirring it, it'll clump together, but then like when you stop stirring it, it'll like go back into a liquid, it will. So once you think that's good enough, we'll move on to putting some shaving cream in it. This is brand new, so it might take it a little bit. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I might think that might have been a little bit too much, so we'll get some out of there. Or maybe a lot out of there. Alrighty. Get a little bit more because I do not have a lot of this, and I do not want to screw this up and be a fail. Okay, so then you're just going to kind of stir those together. You will actually see it start coming together. Just stir until you think it's good enough, and then once it's good enough, I'd say you could wipe off your stuff, obviously. And then next is the foam soap, just a little squirt because I just don't have a lot. Okay, so then you're going to stir that in. again, it'll start coming together very nicely. Just get it all together. You will see that it's getting hard. Well, coming together, I should say. And then the last thing you will have to do is take your eye contact solution. Just put drops in there until you think it's coming together. This will activate it if you do not know. The contact solution will actually bring it together, and the shaving cream and the hand soap, the foam hand soap, will only make it fluffier, because I am doing a fluffy hand soap. I mean a fluffy slime. That's what I meant to say. Oh, and I let it sit for a while, so if you want it to be, like, you could take it out right now, but, I would let it sit if I was you, because I had a meeting to go to, and, like, I didn't mean for it to sit out, and I was hoping it would turn out okay, because it was my first time ever, actually doing a success for a slime, and it actually turned out, so I'm very happy that the slime worked. Yeah, see how it's like gooey right now? This is because you want it to let it sit for a while. So I was at my meeting for like I don't know, an hour, and then I was gone another hour because I had to run some errands. And then I came home, and I was praying that it worked, for one, and for two, that it, nothing happened to it. It didn't get disgusting, or whatever you would like to say. I'm going to add a little bit more contact solution, just because I think it's a little bit too gooey. I do, and it definitely came together as soon as I did that. Another thing is you can use, instead of eye contact solution, you can use borax, but like Sarah Lynn said, that she has heard that there's been kids that have been hurt from borax, and it's not the safest thing to play with. So suggest you to use contact solution. That's my opinion, and that's her opinion too, just so you want to be safe if you're having your kid make it. So since mine is small, earlier I had to actually wait because my other one's pretty big, in which I could show you that in a minute or so. But I didn't actually have to wait that long for this one, just because it's pretty tiny, and I mean, it's stretchy, I guess. I do have to put some lotion on it, which it will make stretchier, which I will be right back because I will go get it. Okay, everybody, I am back. My cousin Aaliyah Sands had made me some slime for Christmas, which I will show you that. Yesterday, when I got it out, it was not that stretchy. So I did, upon myself, I put some Johnson baby lotion in it to make it stretchier. And then I noticed there was some smell because I haven't played with it in like a week. And so I went ahead and picked out one of my body soaps that I take a shower with. And I picked out this one because this one's my favorite, Vanilla Bean. And so that is just for a smell. So yeah, pretty stretchy. I think she got a slime kit to make this one, so I don't know exactly what she put in it. But yeah, this was just one of my Christmas presents from her. I've never made slime before, like I said. Yeah. Hold on a second. Maybe I can get some crunches out of here. Yeah. It sometimes works. Yeah. Okay. So moving on to my bigger one that I made, and it was first success. Okay, so I put also beads in this, and I put glitter in this, and I wish I didn't, because one, I'm not like, I like glitter, but I don't like it all over my hands. See, I just don't like it. And the beads constantly fall out. This is not that stretchy, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw some baby lotion on it. And the key is you don't want to put that much because it will kind of be a disaster. And there goes some of the beads, like I said. It's pretty bad. Yes, keep pulling, please. Darn it. Okay. Yeah, I'll just have to pick them all up. And see, the glitter is getting all over my hands now, which is even worse because now I'm going to have to wash them and everything. And sometimes glitter is very hard to get off. And now it has a baby lotion smell. And I'm not a big baby lotion fan also. And like I said to my little one, my cousin I know did apply baby lotion to the one she made me, and when I opened the container, it gave me that nasty smell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my favorite shampoo body lotion. Not a lot with this one either. I kind of put a lot, maybe a little bit too much, but I mean, it's okay. I'll just have to work it in a lot, and then it should be pretty good. So I'm gonna keep going. My balls keep falling out. Well, my beads, not my balls. So once I get this all worked in, I can show you guys how good this one actually turned out. So since I've actually made this, I've noticed how much I have to apply like stuff to it, just because it gets just kind of hard, just also because it's supposed to be a fluffy slime, not a not so stretchy, I guess you would say. So yeah, I just have to apply it most of the time. I try to put a lot on my little one of my favorite body wash, and it seemed to actually stay pretty stretchy over the night as I checked it just right now. And I was playing with it earlier. So it's getting pretty good. So I could probably stretch it. The beads might fall out, but this is the slime I've made. This is now again my first slime that so I've tried making probably about 10 to 12 slimes on all these people's ways that they've made them. I've watched them all on YouTube, and none of them have worked, unfortunately. And then I got to Sarah's video, and it worked. So like, yes, the beads. So yes, I'm very, very, very satisfied with it. It's kind of starting to get hard again, which I just need to put more, I guess. But it is pretty stretchy, I guess, if you have stuff on it. If you don't, then it is not, because, like I said, it's not a stretchy slime. It is supposed to be fluff. Now, when I do lay it down and I poke it, it don't make the, like, that sound. But when I do stretch it, it does make the crunching sound. I don't know if you guys heard it just a couple minutes ago. These beads are falling out like crazy. But it is getting very hard now to stretch these beads. Alright, so I think I'm going to end my video now. Like and subscribe. Like I said, I will try to tag or link the other girl and Sarah into the video. And like I said, here's the last little thing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more. And there we go. It is stretchy now. Alright, so, like and subscribe, and thanks whoever is watching.